Hi, I'm Piotr from Kepler.io. Today, I will show you how to set up a WordPress to BigQuery integration. First of all, log into your Kepler.io account. Then, click the Add New Importer button. Start by naming your importer. I'll go by the name Blog Traffic Sources. Now, I need to choose the source application that I will import the data from. Open the drop-down menu and select WordPress. Then, click Continue. To be able to pull data from this app, you need to connect your WordPress account. Press Connect. Log into the WordPress account you want to import the data from, and then press Approve. Back on Kepler.io, click Continue to go to the next step. There are different types of reports available for import. Open the Report Name drop-down menu. Then, select one of the reports. I want to pull the list of sources that drive traffic to my blog, so I pick Referrers. Here, I will specify the period for which I want to import the data. I will choose a month. The next setting lets you specify the start date to filter your data from. I don't want to limit myself, so I will skip that field. I want to import as many referrals as possible, so I will increase the number here to, let's say, 1000. We've got the source configured. Now it's time for a destination. Open the drop-down menu. As you can see, the available destinations include Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and BigQuery. Let's go with Google BigQuery. Then, press Connect. To be able to import the data to BigQuery, I need to generate and upload a key file in JSON format. Here is how to get it. Open the Google Cloud Platform console. In the navigation menu on the left-hand side, select I am an admin and then Service Accounts. Click Create Service Account at the top. Enter the service account name and click Create and Continue. Add the roles BigQuery Data Editor and BigQuery Job User. Click Continue and then Done. Now, click on the three dots to the right from your newly created service account. Select Manage Keys. Press Add Key and select Create New Key. Choose JSON type and press Create. When prompted, save the file to your computer. Now, go back to the Kepler.io configuration and select this file. Click Save. Then, click Continue. I've just connected my BigQuery account. Now, I need to specify the dataset and table where I will import my WordPress data to. Let's go back to the BigQuery dashboard. Find and copy the name of the dataset. Then, paste it into the respective field in Kepler.io. Repeat the process for the table name. When finished, press Continue. The final two settings are optional, so I won't change anything here. Press Continue. I want my data to be refreshed automatically on a chosen schedule, so I enable automatic data refresh. I want to pull the data from WordPress to BigQuery on an hourly basis, every day of the week. So I'm making a small amendment to the suggested schedule, adding Saturday and Sunday. Both the time preferences and the time zone work for me, so all I need to do is click the Save and Run button. The importer will run for a short bit, depending on the size of the import. Once it's finished, click the View Results button in the top right corner. Here is the preview of our WordPress traffic sources data. Set up your WordPress to BigQuery integration in just 5 minutes. With no coding skills required, Kepler.io has got you covered. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support. Thanks.